Welcome to Go Green Bioenergy India Private Limited.
So this tractor is running from Hydro Jal Fuel from past 2 months, and right now we are going to change the paper filter into stainless steel filter. So this is stainless steel SS filter. This filter we use instead of paper filter, which is economically viable, available in the Indian market. We people are using paper filter, and this is stainless steel filter which is reusable, and we will provide the stainless steel filters for all kinds of vehicles in the Indian market. This filter can be used in any vehicle which is using hydrogel fuel.
So right now we are going to change the filter in the tractor. So as you are seeing, this is the stainless steel filter which we are going to add and replace this filter to the tractor.
This is a paper filter. We are going to change the paper filter into stainless steel filter. Paper filter. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕವರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಬೇಗ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now we are going to replace paper filter with stainless steel filter.
And this filter is made of stainless steel which can be reused in all over the world, in all countries. All the vehicle manufacturers and all are using high quality filters. In India we are using paper filter because of the economical viability. So our filters are available at the same price as paper filter in the market. We have all kinds of commercial vehicle including borewell rig operating filters. We have all filters. So for the trial in your vehicle, please contact us. A minimum trial of quantity is 300 liters, and we have all kinds of filters for all types of commercial and non-commercial vehicles.
So this is a reusable filter.
Why we are going to change the filter, diesel filter? So as you all know, we are using diesel plus water, which is called emulsified fuel. So where the diesel contains high water content, because of this the paper filter which is in vehicle will get damaged or tampered. This is the reason why Go Green Bioenergy India Private Limited has its own OEM, where we manufacture the stainless steel, high quality stainless steel filter for all kinds of vehicles. For our fuel, there is no need to make any modifications in the vehicle except filter. All over the world, in all countries, All the car manufacturers, all the vehicle manufacturers are using high grade filters. In India we are using paper filter because of the viability. We made this innovative filter to not compromise with quality and concern about vehicle engine. This is our main motto. For the trial in your vehicle, please contact us through our toll-free numbers below the video link. And the minimum quantity of the trial is 300 liters. And we have all kinds of filters for all types of commercial and non-commercial vehicles. Future we are going to release more videos on this technology. So please subscribe to our Go Green channel.